What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Panic Room. Today we're going to be doing something that Hollywood completely ruins: Wi-Fi hacking. No, we're not going to be magically stealing passwords within 10 seconds. I'm going to show you what tools like Wi-Fi actually do in a legal lab environment using my own router, my own wireless, and a contained setup. This is strictly educational. I don't test networks that I don't own or have permission to access. Let's jump right in. During this demonstration today, I have my own alpha Wi-Fi adapter, my own wireless router inside a Faraday box, just to reduce some noise so I'm not picking up all of my neighbors' Wi-Fis when we throw my alpha adapter into monitor mode. The first thing we need to do is make sure that our network adapter is ready to go. So since I prepped this lab, I already ran Wifite and it has already put my adapter into monitor mode. And I can show you that right here under IW-config. The IW-config is it's just like IP-config, IF-config, but more based around wireless. So you can see this is my alpha adapter down here, and it's already in monitor mode. Monitor mode is how we are able to scan any available SSIDs, whether hidden or just being broadcast. Wi-Fi is a great beginner tool. This video won't be too long just because Wi-Fi is pretty automated. It does a lot of things for you. I will make another video that gets deeper into aircrack NG, airmon NG, and air dump NG. But for now, let's jump right into it. You will have to sudo into Wi-Fi. I always do the -- kill just because on startup it'll kill any processes that might be hanging out in the background that could interfere with the services Wi-Fi needs to run. Alright, I have Panic Room all ready to go. I'm going to Control-C to stop. My Faraday box isn't the best. It's literally a cardboard box wrapped in aluminum foil. There is some leakage, so yeah, we can see my SSIDs, but that's alright. So I'm going to choose one for the Panic Room because that is for our demo. It's trying to capture some data right now, and with a little editing magic, we won't have to wait that full almost 5 minutes here. What Wi-Fi is attempting to capture here is a WPA handshake. A handshake happens when a client connects to a wireless network. The handshake itself is not the password, it's basically just authentication data. As you can see, that happened pretty quick, just because this is a demo environment and I had tested this out before. I had a couple devices nearby that I could connect to the Panic Room SSID, just for the sake of this video, so it was able to capture a handshake. And I actually went through this passwordless probable right here. And I chose whatever as the password, just because I wanted to make this quick and easy. Obviously, we would never want the word whatever to be our password. This just shows that having a pre-shared key, a password, whatever you may call it, has to be long, has to have numbers, letters, special characters. You can make it memorable for yourself, but definitely try and keep it secure. The attack doesn't magically guess passwords. If your password is strong and not in common dictionaries, this process would fail completely. Weak passwords are usually the real vulnerability. A quick Google search will find you the rocku.txt password list. That password list is massive. You can open that password list with any text editor, Notepad, Nano, and you can actually search for your password within that text. And if it's not in there, I'm not going to say you're completely safe, but if your password isn't in there, it's a step in the right direction. How can you protect yourself from a Wi-Fi attack? Use WPA3 if your router supports it. Use long passwords, passphrases. Keep your router's firmware up to date. A lot of people just set their router and wireless up and forget about it. Keeping the firmware up to date is a very underrated protection. Disable WPS and don't use default credentials. Real quick on the WPS, Wifite will run a Pixie Dust attack on WPS. Hopefully this video helped demystify wireless hacking. This stuff is fascinating, but please use it responsibly. If you want more networking, cybersecurity labs, and real-world infrastructure content from somebody who actually works in IT, please subscribe to the Panic Room. Thanks.